we all have, we're all gifted with those observation skills and the discovery skills, consciously, subconsciously, and out of which, our brain, our neural system is really capable of churning all these facts and figures into insights. The natural data science is what I'm referring to. And from this churn, suddenly we have a lot of flash of ideas, or maybe we feel like, hey, I sense this is the right thing, or there is a problem here. I think there is a requirement here. There is a need for this particular society or, a market. The gut feeling, even before researching, right? The actual on-paper research, we all resort to, that sixth sense, or, from the observation, the natural observation. We all have the natural ability to sense the things around us, analyze things around us, and come up with the insights, strong insights. And the story, the real story, converting this insight into a real commercial or a non-commercial, story happens once we actually resort to doing or, things in the real world. But why most of us stop with just ideas? This is where, my observation and our team, we have done research. We spoke to few hundreds of individuals of different age groups, and we were surprised. We were really surprised to know that things were resolving to the ABCs. Now let's talk, or let's discuss more about these ABCs.